All right, guys, we got us a 2017 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter V8. Really beautiful car. Nice pearl white. Got long tube headers there and there. They were installed somewhere else. Got high flow cats right there and right there. It was leaking on the back flanges. We cut them off and put some sleeves in for them because it was leaking real bad. Then we continue the kit. It's a BORLA ATAK kit. Got BORLA X pipe, true flow, BORLA adapters there and there. And then it's got BORLA ATAK rear mufflers, axle back there and there, into 5-inch tips right there and right there. So I said, if we brought it in, I said we'll let you guys hear the BORLA ATAK after it breaks in, how they sound like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, especially with long tube headers. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Wow. Sounds phenomenal. Right at 119. Go to back it up. BORLA always sounds really good, especially that tax. Nice thing about it, when it's an idle, you barely hear it. Again. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Camaro SS, full long tube headers, high flow cats, and BORLA ATAK. Complete system. Really sexy car. Lowered, got a nice stance to it.